Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to use Klarna on DHgate. First thing first, shop on DHgate and add items to your cart. At checkout, look for the Klarna pink badge. Select Klarna as your payment option. Now Klarna will show available payment plans like paying for monthly installments or pay later options. Availability may vary by region. Now choose the plan that best fits your budget and confirm your order. Open the Klarna app or log in Klarna.com, then track your purchase, due dates and remaining payments because Klarna will send you reminders and updates so you don't miss a payment. And done, you've now completed your DHgate order using Klarna with flexible payment options to make shopping easier. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.